In this program, the built-in LED turns on for 1 second and turns off for 1 second repeatedly. Hi, this is Anindita and welcome to Ratna's RoboLab. Today in this video, we will be discussing about how to control the Arduino's built-in LED through programming. Now let's quickly move on to the programming part. In this program, the built-in LED turns on for 1 second and turns off for 1 second repeatedly. Similarly, we can also reprogram the Arduino with another code and change the rate at which it blinks. Like for example, we can turn on the LED for 2 seconds and turn off for 1 second. Again, turn on for 3 seconds and turn off for 2 seconds, and so on.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.
तब तक के लिए जय हिंद। और वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ यार लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब तो बनता है ना, सब्सक्राइब कर दो।